HTC U24 Pro, a phone that's been making waves in the tech world. This isn't just a smartphone, it's a statement piece, a device that redefines what's possible in a mobile phone. Let's talk about the looks. The U24 Pro is a stunner. It's got a sleek, ergonomic design that feels great in your hand. The glass-like finish gives it a premium look and feel, but don't let its beauty fool you. This phone is built to last, with advanced fingerprint and impact resistance. Now, let's get to the fun stuff, the camera. The U24 Pro boasts a quad camera setup that's nothing short of incredible. You've got 4 specialized cameras, each with its own strengths, to capture the world in stunning detail. And with 2x optical zoom, you can get closer to the action without losing quality. The AI-powered photo enhancer is a game changer. It automatically optimizes your shots for the best results, even in low light. Plus, with 4K video recording and OIS, your videos will be smooth and stable. The U24 Pro's 6.8-inch OLED display is a thing of beauty. With its vivid colors, deep blacks, and high refresh rate, everything looks amazing. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or scrolling through your social media feed, the display is a joy to use. Under the hood, the U24 Pro is powered by a cutting-edge processor that handles everything from demanding games to multitasking with ease. And with its long-lasting battery, you can enjoy your phone all day without worrying about running out of juice. But that's not all. The U24 Pro is more than just a phone, it's your gateway to immersive experiences. With its AR and VR compatibility, you can explore virtual worlds, play interactive games, and even shop in augmented reality. Viverse, HTC's ecosystem of immersive experiences, is your ticket to the future. The U24 Pro is packed with features that make your life easier, from reverse wireless charging to fast charging and water resistance. It's a phone that truly has it all. So there you have it, folks. The HTC U24 Pro is a truly remarkable device that's set to redefine what's possible in a smartphone. With its stunning design, powerful camera system, immersive AR/VR capabilities, and long-lasting battery, the U24 Pro is the future of mobile technology. Are you ready to experience the future? Pre-order the HTC U24 Pro today and be one of the first to own this groundbreaking device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates.